Now before we get going, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I booked this room at the Premier Inn for £71 and I booked it online and paid in advance for a non-refundable room. Now for around about £5 more I could have paid for a refundable room. Now this Premier Inn doesn't have any restaurant attached to it. It does have vending machines throughout the hotel, and there's also a pub called the Peacock next door to the hotel itself. Now a lot of these Premier Inns have a Beefeaters next door where you can get breakfast, but there is a pub where I can get breakfast or tea if I really want to. But I wanted to have a look round this Premier Inn room and just to see whether it really is worth the money. And let's have a look. There is an extra bed in this room, so this room actually sleeps 3 people, which is ideal if perhaps you're going on a night out with some girlfriends or boyfriends and you need a room which sleeps 3. It would cost just over £20 each. As you would expect, there are tea and coffee making facilities here and fresh supplies that you can get from reception. I've got to say though, if there's one criticism, it's the artwork. I really didn't like that picture there on the wall. Oh sorry, it's a mirror. So looking at the facilities itself, it's got a large TV, it's got those blackout mirrors, there's plenty of lights around. It didn't have any plugs next to the bed, which I always like if you like to charge your phone, but it's also got mood lighting as well, so you can have the lights whichever way you like, and the picture there really doesn't do it any justice. And of course there's air conditioning, a couple of bedside cabinets, some artwork, and there's the air dryer and a fan, and you can get an ironing board from reception, coat hangers there in this sort of wardrobe, and some spare bedding if needed. There's a desk if you need to do any work, and if you just want to watch TV, this is a large TV. It's maybe 40 inches. It's quite a big TV, a Samsung as well. And into the bathroom we go. Obviously the products there in the bathroom are in these fillable, refillable bottles, so you can't take them home with you. Nice towels as well, and plenty of towels too. As well as those on the rack, there were some hanging over the bath as well. And I quite like the toiletries here, the Bayless and hard-on. And let's have another brief look into the bathroom itself, a bigger view. Quite a big bath that, isn't it? You could easily get into that bath, even someone like me. Now you can get accessible rooms, which I would normally get, but I've found that the beds are quite low in the accessible rooms. So there you have it, a quick whistle-stop look around a Premier Inn standard room. This Premier Inn is near Crewe, just outside the town of Nantwich. And like I said earlier in the video, it cost me £71. Now you can get rooms a lot cheaper than that. We put details of the Premier Inn down below. Not that you need the details, because the Premier Inn is obviously a chain of hotels throughout the UK, which is well known and well renowned for its comfy beds. And I think you get a money back guarantee if the bed isn't comfortable. I've got a bad back at the moment, so we'll no doubt find out in the morning whether I have had a comfortable night or not. Good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Good night. The Premier Inn in Nantwich is quite near to the town centre, so it's quite easy to leave the car at the Premier Inn and walk down to Nantwich, which offers lots of bars and restaurants and of course nice little coffee shops, and it's a beautiful market town with lots to offer. There is a video on the channel right now, so please do check that out if you can. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon for more adventures from Travels with Charlie.